Alpha team, strike! Go, go, go!
It's happening now. We move, fast. Target located. Let's move now.
Oh my God! Run! Get out of here! Cowbell.
No! We need to shut down the power grid before it shorts the whole system.
It's already bypassed the failsafe.
The serpent is no longer contained. It is free.
Go! Move! It's headed this way.
Oh my God! Run! Get out of here!
Containment instability detected.
Pressure threshold exceeded. Tank integrity at risk.
Get me satellite surveillance and prepare Alpha Team.
We've got a breach.
Lab alert, containment breach. Code level 5.
Activate level 5 containment protocol. Notify Alpha Team immediately. It's happening now. We move, fast.
Containment breach detected. We'll need the snake pole, trauma kit, and restraints. Get it all on board.
You are Alpha Team. Your mission starts now. Move out. Let's not screw this up.
ETA to target zone. 5 minutes. Brace for mobilization.
We only get one shot at this. Locked in?
Always.
Alpha team, strike! Go, go, go! Target located. Let's move now.
We're 5 minutes out from the target. Stay sharp. That's a full constriction. No hesitation. Hit it hard and fast. That's our target. We need eyes on the calf. Watch your angles. That's a full constriction. No hesitation. Hit it hard and fast. Visual confirmed. Giant snake engaging livestock. We are almost on site. Keep eyes on the head. Dart team, go now.
Vital still active. Get her free now.
Keep eyes on the head. Dart team, go now.
Vital still active. Get her free now.
Heartbeat's slow but stable. She's hanging in.
Medevac team, prepare for livestock extraction.
She's stable. Let's get her up, slow and tight.
Cargo secure. Let's bring her home. Room 3 is ready. Bring her in.
On 3, 1, 2, 3, lift.
Adrenaline. This will help her fight.
She's responding. Let's keep her under observation for another hour.
Vitals are looking good.
She made it.
It's weak, but she's holding on. Moving on. She's awake. She sees him.
All vitals are normal. She's out of danger.
You're safe now, big girl. Just rest. You did so good, girl. You're safe now. She's gonna be just fine. You are really fighting back. That's my girl. Let's go home now.